Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is mythical. It is pronounced mythical, and it is spelt M-Y-T-H-I-C-A-L. Think myth, then ick, and then al. Mythical. Mythical means occurring in or like a myth or fairy tale. For example, you could say a mermaid is a mythical creature. The word mythical comes from the Latin mythicus, meaning legendary or of legend. Myths and legends are both types of old stories that have been passed down through generations. So if something is mythical, it is also of legend. Do you know any famous myths or mythical creatures? Unicorns, dragons, werewolves, and even the Loch Ness Monster are all mythical creatures, whose origin originally comes from a myth or a famous old story. Perhaps you also know more myths than you might think. Marvel's Thor and Loki come from the Norse mythology. Have you ever read the Percy Jackson book series? All those stories are based on the ancient Greek myths of the gods, like Zeus and Poseidon. So myths are pretty cool, and they actually form the basis of many of the different stories we know very well today. Mythical is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say Hercules is a mythical hero. Mythical is defined in the dictionary as existing or originating from a famous story. Mythical synonyms include legendary, mythological, fabled, folkloric, chimerical, fantastical, imaginary, fictitious, allegorical, symbolic, symbolical, and parabolic. Antonyms include factual, genuine, real, sincere, and true. See if you can notice any myths or mythical creatures on TV or YouTube or even in a book today. Perhaps have a read of Percy Jackson and impress your parents by describing the mythical creatures within it. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.